hogy ezek
Három versenyző, aki még megmondhatja,
Almost holding on to that. This is the jump that we saw in jump 2 for Penworthy, looking to improve upon it here. Swings around the switch jump 10, slight under rotation there, and he will stick with his first 2 jumps. And currently, as I understand it, in 4th place.